Hello and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. In this video, we'll be breaking down an analysis of the NASDAQ 100 and NAS100. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that we have a free Discord community you can join. The link is in the description below. It's a great place to connect, follow our trades, and participate in our strategies. For this trade, as you can see in the screenshots we've shared, we outlined our expectations and execution plan ahead of time. The market responded with a sharp upward move, resulting in an impressive 500 pip gain. Right now, we're evaluating the next potential move. There's a possibility of a price reversal to the downside, but we're also projecting the chance for prices to continue higher. It's a pivotal moment in the market, and we're carefully analyzing where the next opportunity lies. If you want to stay ahead and join us in capturing the next big move, be sure to join our trading group. The link to our Discord is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.